When a fresh lemon is lifted toward the mouth, the journey of its nutrients is only beginning. At first glance, it appears to be a simple citrus fruit, bright, acidic, and refreshing. Yet beneath the skin of the human body, a remarkable biological process is preparing to unfold. As the lemon juice enters the mouth, sensory receptors immediately detect its sharp acidity. Salivary glands respond by increasing saliva production, helping prepare the digestive system for what is about to arrive. Deep within the body, organs work in perfect coordination, waiting to receive the nutrients contained within every drop. As the lemon juice is swallowed, it travels smoothly down the esophagus, guided by rhythmic muscular contractions known as peristalsis. Gravity plays only a minor role. Instead, powerful waves of muscular motion propel the liquid toward the stomach. Within seconds, the lemon reaches its destination, entering a highly specialized environment designed to break down food and extract valuable nutrients. The stomach responds immediately. Gastric fluids mix with the incoming liquid, creating a complex chemical environment where digestion begins in earnest. Inside the stomach, the acidic nature of lemon interacts with digestive juices already present. The stomach lining, protected by a thick mucus barrier, withstands this acidic mixture while muscular contractions churn the contents into a semi-liquid substance. Although lemon itself is relatively simple compared to a full meal, it carries important compounds, including vitamin C, flavonoids, antioxidants, and trace minerals. These substances begin their transformation from food into biological fuel. As digestion continues, the contents move from the stomach into the small intestine, one of the most extraordinary nutrient processing systems in the human body. The inner surface of the small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi. Each villus is covered with microscopic projections known as microvilli, dramatically increasing the surface area available for nutrient absorption. This immense biological landscape acts as a gateway between the digestive system and the bloodstream. Here, vitamin C molecules and beneficial plant compounds from the lemon encounter the intestinal wall. They pass through specialized cells and enter networks of tiny blood vessels hidden beneath the intestinal surface. Nutrients that moments ago existed within a glass of lemon juice now become part of the body's internal transportation system. Glowing streams of nourishment flow into the circulation, carried by blood to distant organs and tissues throughout the body. As these nutrients enter the bloodstream, a vast distribution network springs into action. The heart pumps continuously, sending oxygen-rich blood and newly absorbed nutrients through thousands of miles of blood vessels. Every organ receives its share. The liver processes incoming compounds, regulating their availability. The kidneys monitor fluid balance. The lungs continue supplying oxygen. Together, these organs create an intricate system that transforms nutrition into function, energy, and survival. One of the first major beneficiaries is the brain. Although it represents only a small percentage of total body weight, the brain consumes enormous amounts of energy. Vitamin C from lemon plays an important role in maintaining healthy neural function. Within the brain, billions of neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals. Synapses flash continuously as information moves across vast neural networks. Nutrients delivered through the bloodstream help support neurotransmitter production and protect delicate neural tissue from oxidative stress. As neural pathways become active, the brain maintains focus, memory, learning, and countless unconscious processes that sustain life. Meanwhile, muscles throughout the body receive their own supply of nutrients. Every muscle fiber depends upon a steady stream of oxygen and nutritional support to function effectively. Blood vessels expand and deliver compounds needed for cellular maintenance and repair. Deep within each muscle cell, microscopic energy-producing structures called mitochondria convert nutrients into usable energy. These processes support movement, strength, endurance, and recovery. Even during rest, muscles remain metabolically active, constantly renewing and maintaining themselves. The digestive system itself also benefits from the compounds found in lemon. Within the intestines lives a vast ecosystem of microorganisms collectively known as the gut microbiome. Trillions of bacteria coexist in a delicate balance, influencing digestion, immunity, metabolism, and even brain function. Nutrients from lemon contribute to a healthy digestive environment, supporting the conditions in which beneficial microbes can thrive. This microscopic world is one of the most important and least visible contributors to human health. As nutrients continue circulating, many individuals experience a sensation, often described as increased vitality or refreshment. Although lemon is not a direct source of large amounts of energy, hydration and nutrient support can contribute to feelings of alertness and well-being. Blood flows efficiently, cells receive nourishment, and physiological systems continue operating smoothly. Throughout the body, countless biochemical reactions depend upon the availability of vitamins and minerals supplied through nutrition. The immune system also receives support from vitamin C, one of lemon's most recognized nutrients. White blood cells patrol the bloodstream and tissues, constantly searching for pathogens and signs of cellular damage. Vitamin C participates in multiple aspects of immune function, helping maintain the effectiveness of these defensive cells. Across the body, immune surveillance continues uninterrupted, protecting against potential threats before they become serious problems. On a microscopic level, antioxidants found in lemon play another important role. Every day, normal metabolism generates unstable molecules known as free radicals. In excessive amounts, these molecules can damage proteins, cell membranes, and DNA. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals before significant harm occurs. Within tissues throughout the body, these protective interactions take place continuously, forming part of the body's natural defense against oxidative stress. However, even beneficial foods can produce unwanted effects under certain circumstances. In some individuals, the acidity of lemon may irritate sensitive stomach tissue. The stomach lining, normally protected by mucus and specialized cells, can become uncomfortable when exposed to excessive acidity, particularly in those with digestive conditions such as acid reflux or gastritis. Inflammation may develop, leading to sensations of burning, discomfort, or indigestion. Although uncommon, allergic reactions can also occur. In susceptible individuals, the immune system may mistakenly identify compounds within lemon as threats. Immune cells release signaling molecules that trigger inflammation, redness, itching, or swelling. These reactions represent an overactive defense response rather than the action of the lemon itself. When lemon is consumed as part of heavily sweetened beverages, another physiological response becomes possible. Large amounts of added sugar can rapidly enter the bloodstream, causing blood glucose levels to rise. In response, the pancreas releases insulin to help move glucose into cells. While the body is well equipped to manage these fluctuations, repeated spikes may place additional demands on metabolic systems over time. Not every nutritional experience results in a burst of vitality. Depending on individual circumstances, hydration status, blood sugar fluctuations, sleep quality, and overall health, some people may experience periods of low energy despite consuming healthy foods. Cellular energy production is influenced by many interconnected factors, and nutrition is only one piece of a much larger physiological puzzle. The acidic nature of lemon can also affect oral health when exposure is excessive. Tooth enamel, the hard protective surface covering the teeth, can gradually erode under repeated contact with acids. Over time, microscopic changes may occur, increasing sensitivity and making teeth more vulnerable to damage. This is why dental professionals often recommend moderation and proper oral hygiene practices when consuming acidic beverages. From the moment lemon enters the body to the complex biological responses that follow, an extraordinary chain of events unfolds beneath the surface. Nutrients travel through digestive pathways, enter the bloodstream, support organs, nourish tissues, assist immune defenses, and participate in countless microscopic processes. At the same time, the body carefully manages potential challenges associated with acidity, allergies, or excessive consumption. Every sip reveals the remarkable sophistication of human physiology, where even a simple glass of lemon juice becomes part of an intricate story of digestion, absorption, protection, adaptation, and life itself.